today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to block someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. This can be done on an iOS or Android phone. So once you open up Instagram app, you want to block a user. It's actually really easy to do. So first of all, you have to select the user you want to block, any account, any followers account, or any account on Instagram. So you just have to select the account you want to block. So I'm just going to select any account from here. Let's go with this account. So you have to open up that account, and once you get to the account, you will find their information, and then you will get three dots at the top right corner. Click on these three dots and you will get the option of report, block, about this account, restrict, and more. If you do not want to block an account, you can always restrict them, but you have made your mind, so click on block, the second option right here. Now we will be given two options here. We have block this account and other accounts they may create, or you can block just this account. So the first one is effective if you want to block someone completely and you do not want them to contact you ever again. So you will select the first option, click on block, and that account will be blocked on Instagram. You can see now it says unblock. I can go back and give you another example really quickly. Let's block this account, open up the account, and then click on these three dots, select block, click on block again, and the account will be blocked. If you want to check your blocked accounts, if you want to find them, go to your profile. In your profile, click on these three lines at the top right corner, click on settings, go to privacy, scroll down to blocked accounts, and it will show you all of the blocked accounts that you have. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.